The point to be noted here is this particular probability of x is equal to xi can be generated by any manner we need, any manner we designed. For example, earlier example, I have shown the ordinary definition of probability. I have generated a probability distribution for the tossing of a coin thrice and number of heads. There I used the basic definition of the probability that is the number of favorable cases by number of exhaustive cases. Now we can design any function depending upon our requirement. That is the power of this particular random variable. In physical situations such as the quality control and applicable parts, they will be designing various distribution functions. As an engineer, when you confront with real situations, you will be asked to evaluate the sample. The sample study is to be made. Then the requirements are different. Based upon those requirements, you can generate a random variable. Any statistical data is analyzed only with the help of measures of central tendencies such as mean, mode, median, or they are measured or they are evaluated, interpreted by the measures of dispersion. What are the dispersions? Range, standard deviation and variance. Now we are seeing for a probability random variable distribution, mean, variance and standard deviation. So what is the mean? What is the mean? So probability of x is equal to xi. So this is P0, P1, P2, P3, so on, say Pn. Mean is equal to sigma xi into Pi. This is I goes from 1 to n. So in order to calculate mean, what you have to do? The range of the random variable multiplied with its corresponding probabilistic value and all n values multiplied together, and they are to be added. This is the mean. Generally the mean is denoted by x bar. Now come to the variance. Come to variance. The variance is nothing but sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi square into pi. So xi square into pi minus mu square or x bars. The mean and variance, what is the purpose? The purpose is for analyzing the data. Beyond that we are not going, but this is the purpose. Now what is the mean and what is the variance? Mean is the value of xi multiplied with the probabilities, and the variance is square of the x values, square of the range multiplied with the probability minus the square of the mean, and positive square root of variance is called standard deviation. Okay. Now we will see how a question can be generated. Question can be generated like this. You will be given with a random variable distribution and find the mean and variance. One more point we should note here is the sigma, summation of all probabilities are always equal to 1. So these are the formulae. First one is the mean formula, the second one is a variance formula, the third one is the positive square root of variance is called standard deviation, and the fourth one is the sum of the probabilities is equal to 1. Based on these concepts, they asked repeatedly over the years, they are asking questions. So we will see questions based on this concept. We will see the random problems on random variable. These problems on random variable are generally asked for essay questions. First question we will see here. Now, see here, a random variable question. 1. Question 1 on random variable. A random variable x has range 1 2 3 so on up to infinity. If probability of x equal to k is given by c power k by k factorial for k equal 1 to so on, find k mean of x and variance of x. And variance and mean we will see in the next for the next problem. For this problem, let us say find k and probability of 0 less than x less than 3. Find c value rather. Find c and probability of 0 less than x less than 3. The mean and variance cannot be calculated here because the range admits infinite number of values. So, what is the question here? Question is the random variable range is given, the probability distribution function is given, and in that probability distribution function one unknown is kept. You are asked to find the unknown and also the probabilities for 0 less than x less than 3. Now here we listed a set of rules. Among those rules we will see the first rule here. What is the first rule? Sum of the probabilities is equal to 1. Sum of the probabilities is equal to 1. Sum of probability of x is equal to k, I is 1 to infinity should give you 1. Whatever be the random variable, whatever be the probabilities, values, or each probability, when all the probabilities are added, you should get 1. Now, so this will give you when I is equal to 1, so you are going to get c by 1 factorial, c square by 2 factorial, c cube by 3 factorial. So goes on up to infinity is equal to 1. If you observe, this is e power x expansion. Recollect e power x expansion. What is e power x expansion? x1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial so on up to infinity. This is the known expansion of e power x. Then compare that with this existing series. In this series, what is absent? 1 is absent. So when add 1 and subtract 1, you are going to get here e power c minus 1 is equal to 1. So e power c is equal to 2. C is equal to logarithm of 2 to the base e. This is the part of the question. The question has two components, two parts. What is the part? Find c, which we have done. Now next job is to find probability of 0 less than x less than 3. Okay, 0 less than x less than 3. So the random variable is taking 0, 1, 2, 3. So there is more than 0, it should be 1. 1 is okay and 2 is okay, but 3 is not okay. 3 you should not take. So this is same as probability of x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2. Probability of x is equal to 1. The probability distribution function is defined and clearly mentioned here. What is the mention of probability? When x is equal to k, here the k value is 1. So you will have c power 1 by 1 factorial plus c power 2 by 2 factorial. The value of c already we have calculated here. So substitute it. So logarithm of 2 base e by 1 factorial plus logarithm of 2 base e whole square by 2 factorial. this is the probability of between 0 to 3. So both parts of the question were completed. The question solution is complete. Now question number 2 on the random variable. The